Hey, what is up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send location on WhatsApp. So here's how we are going to do it. I have already opened my WhatsApp and I'm going to go ahead and tap the chats here at the top. After doing so, I'm going to go ahead and open this conversation here and say, for example, I want to send a location in this particular person. Now, the only way in order for you to do that is to press this button here. After doing so, we're going to go ahead and choose location. So basically what we are doing is attaching a location in this particular person. Now this time you can either click this one here in order to send your location. You can definitely do that one. So you can just go ahead and click this one here. So this is my current location right now. But say for example you want to send another location, then you can just go back here and then you can go ahead and click this one here in order to search for a location. Say for example I'm going to go ahead and look for something. Alright, say for example this one here, I'm going to go ahead and click this green button. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and click this. Alright, there it goes. You can see I have now sent a particular location. So congratulations everybody, that is how you're going to send location on WhatsApp.